Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Notion as a to-do list. Using Notion as a to-do list is a great way to organize tasks and manage projects. So Notion's flexibility allows you to create custom to-do lists with various features. But here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use Notion for task management. First, you need to create a new page for your to-do list. Then open Notion, let's launch Notion on your desktop, which you have here. If you're using a mobile device, just feel free to do that. Then on the left sidebar, go ahead and, which is here, so go ahead and click on this pencil icon, which is here, and select create a new page. All right, to create a new page, which we have here. So you need to give your page a name if you want to. So this is untitled. So in this sense, it could be to do. All right, then head over to the left side, the left panel of your screen again, and click on templates. Or you can even click on templates right here from the right corner. So click on templates, and once you click on templates, go ahead and select tasks and projects if you have that feature in here. So you can search for that for easy searching. So let's do it. Let's say if you have a ready-made template. This is like tax and project planning. This is another one. Okay, so go ahead and search for any one that you want. This is free. This is free as well. This is Notion Tax and Project Manager. It's also free. So you can just select any of the templates and select add to workspace. Add to private. So this says this has been added, so they'll let you know when it's okay. So it has been added. So see templates. I'm just going to click on that. So this has been added now, and of course it has been set to private. So we are in here. So with this ready-made template, you can now create your to-do list in here. So you can add a task. This is a task now started, copywriting. So you can make changes to this task by clicking on this pencil icon. And this is photo shoot, another task. This is another task. This is another task. So these are like projects pending. All right, then you can go ahead and of course edit this. That's the hide group or hide group pages. I just go ahead and click on this plus icon to create a new page. So this is already in progress. This is on the review. This is done. So go ahead and fix projects that can be on any of this by clicking on the pencil icon to edit. Now these are tags. Now on that tags, you can create a to-do. So here I have book talent. Click on the pencil icon to edit the tags. Edit the tags here to edit the tags under in progress. Edit the tags under review. Edit the tags under done. And then these are hidden groups. That's tags archive. This is just the template and a ready-made project for you, and a ready-made template for you, so you don't have to create the template by yourself. Right, but then if you want to create a to-do list manually, just head over to this create a new page icon in there and create a to-do. So I already created a new page here, which is to-do, and I had already started something. So right here where you want to write something on your new page, just go ahead and type /, and it's going to bring up the block menu. So from here, go ahead and click on to-do list, and once you click on to-do list from the options, then the to-do list block will be added where you can start adding your tags. So this could be run and click on enter and add another to do. The more you keep entering enter, the more you keep adding more tags. Now you can customize your to do. So click the checkbox next to each item to mark it as complete and type your tags into the list. So let's say this will be fight and this will be pray. So check the box, and once you check the box, you see that that has been completed. All right, just keep entering, keep on pressing enter to add more. You can also organize your tags. All right, and how do you organize your tags? Say I want to delete that. You can just click on backward slash and okay, no, stay back with to do in this heading. Please don't leave my to do. So write something. So backward slash and heading. So it could be heading 1 or it could be heading 2. All right, you can do that to create headers, to organize tags by categories or dates. So let's say this is heading 1. So you can put categories. Let's say this could be work. Let's say after putting work, go down and you go then and just write something under work, and then it just makes it really beautiful. Now you can also click on tags and of course press tab to indent the create subtags. That's if you want to create subtags in this. So let's see if we have that. Okay, that's actually not working in here. Cannot pretty much find that tags icon, which is pretty much supposed to be available over here as well. So that's it. You can also add due date. And how do you do that? Go ahead and backward slash and select dates. And once you select date, then you can add a date or a reminder. Then click on that to insert a date or a reminder. So you have here this date, remind tomorrow. Just freestyle with this and you'll be good to go. Now this is pretty much how you can create, of course you can create a to-do list on Notion. This is how you can create a to-do. You can use Notion as a to-do list. There are different other things to do to manage your to-do within Notion. All right, so Notion's flexibility allows you to tailor your to-do list to your specific needs, making it a powerful tool for task management and organization. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.